Good morning, YouTube. It's Ken, back with another video. And it's a simple little video, how to restore your headlights. 3 simple little steps. All you need is like 400 grit sandpaper and 1,000 grit sandpaper and some clear coat. A little cheap can of clear coat from Walmart. Just to make your headlights clear like this. 3 little simple steps. All I do is tight everything right there, all around. Make sure you mask the whole area so you won't get on your paint. After that, 400 grit sandpaper, side by side, and then get your 1,000 grit sandpaper going a circular motion. The next thing you need is clear coat, or 3 layers of this. A little quick, simple little project. Clear headlights. All right, it's Ken. I'm out.